Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon and I both got cool mom melt mystery bags.
And I'm not a mom.
Yes, you are. My god kittens.
Oh, okay. I didn't birth any children. How's that?
You wouldn't know that.
This was $50.
Yes.
It comes nicely packed in this. We're going to save that Big Daddy for last.
Is there a big daddy?
We're going to get this guy out of the way. I thought it was just a bag, but there's a brush in there. This is the eye blend brush.
Okay.
Okay. In a sack for your tampons. Okay. It's just
It's a fine
fluffy
like blender crease brush.
Yep, I think I have.
I think we have this already.
Which
is fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember Krusty the Clown brush? I just had a flashback.
I can't forget that brush.
I'm just gonna keep going along the bag.
Okay.
Let's see what this guy is.
Oh, it is stuff packed in there.
Okay. Oh, this is their gel eyeliner in the color Ember Hour.
Did we get this?
I don't think I had this color.
This.
I don't think I had this color.
Is this like copper?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh, it's like poopy brown.
Are you going to touch that? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I'm not going to touch
Ultra
it right
matte
now.
gel
I like these
liner.
though.
I know.
There's so much in there though that
they go bad.
they get dried out before you use it all.
Yeah.
But I couldn't imagine them making the pot any smaller.
No.
So, okay.
Okay.
Melt Hot Shot matte lip plumper in Ultra Picante.
Picante means red.
Yeah. But the picture looks baked. Oh. You're not excited.
I'm not excited. No, Picante's not. Picante's hot.
Mm-hmm. It's plumper.
It smells hot. It's giving me PSTD.
We're going to do this. And we're going to see how hot it is. Okay?
Okay.
It's comfortable formula. Like, it feels nice. I'm surprised that they say it's matte, though.
It's not giving matte?
Well, normally something like this is a gloss. Like,
yeah.
it's really cute.
It doesn't look glossy. It looks matte. That's interesting.
We'll see if we get some plump out of her.
Is it spicy, hot?
No. I mean...
Can you feel it? Do you know something's happening?
Kind of. But it's not the worst one I've ever tried.
I think it's very strange that you don't look glossed up.
I know.
Okay.
Which is fine because I don't always want to look glossed up.
No, I love
would
it.
be fine with a plump situation. Okay.
Okay.
We'll move on and come back to it. Ooh. These are the Leo eyelashes.
We have these. These are such a pretty glass.
I don't have
eyelash.
these.
Did I get a box that you didn't have?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I've wore these lashes before.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't really wear lashes, so I might have decluttered it, I guess. But okay, cool, Mom.
Yeah, super cute.
Ultra Perfectionist Lip Pencil in the color Cinnamon. This is another brownie color, which I don't love. Here, mine's open. Oh, it's more nude than it is brown.
It is very nude, but it's a pretty nude.
Can I?
Absolutely. I think you'll like that.
It's a little bit browner than I would normally go for.
And I think it would be really pretty on the eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't hate it.
She might.
I might. We're a little spicy. Not bad, but just a little bit. All right, here's the big daddy. This is the Rust palette.
Do we have this?
No,
we do not.
I've got the similar one would be the brunette. That we got twice. This package is pretty. This looks just like the box. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So it really does look a lot like the brunette palette.
No.
You don't think so?
No, the brunette palette
is
more goldy somewhere.
Okay.
It's probably down there in that pile.
Do you want me to look for it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How would you know? How would you know?
It's going to be long and skinny just like this. But it's like gold colored.
It hurts.
What did you do to your wrist?
My carpal tunnel, now that we have to pull the carts.
Oh.
My carpal tunnel.
You can push again.
My thumb.
You only have to pull around the corner. Did they told you that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But my thumb locks now, and it wasn't before.
She's looking.
Ooh.
No, that's dark matter.
Shannon, this is fucking ridiculous.
Ma'am.
Okay.
I mean, if it did.
Well, we don't want it to, regardless. It's not in the stack.
It might be on the bottom shelf of the bookshelf then. Yeah, is that it? That's not it against the wall? At the very, standing up against the wall? No.
It's empowered.
I just saw the color of it.
Oh my gosh, Shannon. You know this is craziness.
You know I decluttered some, right?
You decluttered and it still looks like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I haven't gone through them yet to pack for moving either, though, so I might declutter more.
Is that it?
Wait. Oh, it's there. Under the move it. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Here we are. That's a brunette palette. So it is bigger.
Oh, quite a bit. I mean, it's the same family.
Yeah, they're sisters.
Yeah. It's pretty. There's a lot more shimmers in there, it seems like. No.
3 and 3.
I think they are cohesive. I think you could use them together.
You could.
Absolutely.
I think it's pretty.
Very pretty.
I'm not going to swatch the whole palette. I'm going to swatch this.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I love a good, rich, deep copper bronze.
And Mel is really good at that.
Yeah.
Okay. So this was $50. We got this palette that probably retails for more than $50. I want to say their palettes go for like $54 usually.
Yeah, I would say.
So this was our money's worth.
For sure.
And then a lip liner, an eyeliner, a lip plumper, and lashes.
So tell me what is going on with your lips.
It's a little bit spicy, but not painful.
Okay. I'm intrigued with the formula. Like, her lips don't look shiny at all.
Mm-mm. Are they plumper?
Do they feel plumper?
No. No.
But you can feel like it's
a little stingy.
trying. Okay. Is it a nice formula?
It doesn't feel dry at all.
No.
No, it's very comfortable. I wonder if you could put it on top of a shiny lipstick and matte out the lipstick. I wonder.
That's really interesting.
I might have to try that.
That's a really good idea. I have a ton of bullets that I love, but that don't stay because they're bullets.
Right. So $50. We got 6 items. So less than $10 an item. You can't be mad at that.
No.
Especially when the palette retails for more than what you paid for the bundle. Is this my favorite melt bundle we've ever gotten? No, I think we've got more bang for our buck in the past.
But I still think this was a great collab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I would buy it again.
Same. Yeah, and I would have bought it knowing that this was in it also.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah. Because, like, I'm not going to wear the eyelashes. You might not use the plumper.
Mm-mm.
So there's one item that we're not going to use. This was actually prettier than, more usable for me than I thought it was. I'm just not sure this is
I'm not
the
sure
right
about that
color.
either.
But there's nothing here that's not wearable.
Right.
Just because it's not our taste.
Right.
I think they did good.
I do too.
I think they always do good.
I think they always do great.
And that's why we get their bundle every time they do it.
Yeah.
Did you get these? Are you cool, Mom?
Are you cool or overstimulated?
Yeah, let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.